Good morning, children. Welcome to our third class of science session. In the last session, that we had to learn about the leaves. Leaves have different colors, different shapes, different types of sizes. That we have to use. Some leaves are using to eat. Some leaves are we have to prepare the cooking curries, and some leaves we have to decorate into the houses. Some leaves are have touch me not plants. When we touch the plants, the leaves are closing. Some leaves are medicinal leaves also there, like mint, tulsi. Some leaves are how to given to the decorate our houses, and some leaves have to drop to that sometimes after the new leaf will come to the plant. They have to shade it to us. The leaves are fallen and new leaves are coming. The leaves have different colors and different shapes. The edges are different. Some are smooth, some are hard, and some are big leaves, some are small leaves, some are short, some are long. We have to learn about that in the last sessions. Now in this session we have to learn about that leaves as food. What is the food we have to take as leaves? ఆకుకూర ఆ లీవ్స్ని మనం ఏ లీవ్స్ని మనం ఫుడ్గా తీసుకుంటామో we have to learn in this session. See, plants stored food as starch in their leaves. Some of the leaves we consume are coriander, spinach, cabbage and fenugreek, that is called menthi. We have to take as food. Then because the plants of the leaves have starch, them stored in the food on leaves. Spinach, cabbage, fenugreek, amaranth and sorrel leaves are cooked as vegetables. They have to take as a curries. Which one? Spinach, palakura, cabbage, fenugreek, menthi, amaranth, that is different types of like leaves, and sorrel leaves. They have to prepare, we have to prepare cooking for without dal, with dal, without dal. అంటే పాలకూర పప్పు కానీ పాలకూర ఫ్రై, తోటకూర పప్పు తోటకూర ఫ్రై, మెంతి కూర పప్పు మెంతి కర్రీ, మెంతి చట్నీ, మింట్ పుదీనా చట్నీ, కొత్తిమీర చట్నీ, like that. We have to use only one or with dal, without dal. Then curry leaves, that is kaliyamaku. Curry leaves means in that kadi patta, bay leaves అంటే బగారాకు, tej patta, that is called tej patta, and coriander leaves are used to add flavor and smell. Coriander leaves or bay leaves and what is that? Curry leaves are using to flavor to the curries. We have to add it to the curries to flavor. మంచి స్మెల్ రావడానికి మనము యాడ్ చేస్తాం కర్రీలో. ఏంటి కర్రీ లీవ్స్? కొత్తిమీరాకు, కొరియండర్ లీవ్స్ like that, mint also, and bagaraku, bay leaves. And we are used to add flavor and smell to the food. Sometimes dried fenugreek leaves also used to add to the flavor and taste to the food. Yes, some dried, we have to use dried leaves of fenugreek, mint or coriander leaves. We can add it to the curries. It gives us to good flavor to us. మంచి స్మెల్ వస్తుంటుంది కర్రీస్లో యాడ్ చేస్తే, లైక్ పౌడర్ ఆర్ dried leaves we can use to that curries. Greeny leafy vegetables are good for health as they are rich in nutrients. Leaves used as vegetables should be washed properly before cooking. Yes, this is the most important. When we are taking leaf curries, we have to prepare a leaf curries. We can add it to the salt, to the water, and we have to properly wash to the leaves twice or thrice, and then we have to prepare to the cook. Cut the leaves in small in size. Before we have to not washing properly, it may fall sick. The germs will be occur on the surface of the leaf, because we have to add salt to the water and we have to properly wash, and then we have to make to the prepare to curry. That's the most important of leafy vegetables we have to use into curry. These are the most important. Which step is most important? We have to wash properly to the green leaf. See, I will show some pictures to you. You can observe. See, one picture is this. Is first one is the spinach. Second one is the fenugreek, menthi kura. Third one is that coriander leaves. Fourth one is that curry leaves. Fifth one is that bay leaves. This is called bagaraku, karivepaku, kotmiraku, mentiyaku and palakura akulu. Children, you should draw these pictures and write the names of the leafy vegetables. Now what I should show, that pictures you should draw. Okay. Next we have to learn about the decoration with the leaves. We can decorate our houses with the leaves when we have any occasions. Mostly when we have festivals on the days, we have to decorating our houses, our factories, offices, schools and shops. We have to decorate with the flowers and leaves. See, we will see that leaves are used on different occasions for decorating houses. People use leaves of banana, mango and coconut during different occasions such as marriages, festivals and fairs. Yes, we have to celebrating Dasara, Diwali and Sankranti. We have to decorate our houses with the mango leaves, and as well as we have to put flowers to the doors and windows, and we have to any occasions like pujas in our home, we have to decorate our houses with the mango leaves, coconut leaves and decorate with the flowers. And as well as shops also, we have to decorate in houses, shops and schools and colleges. We have to decorate. We have any fairs in our schools, any occasions like ceremonies like annual fairs, annual days we have in our school and colleges. We have to decorate our places with the flowers and leaves. Most of the decorating in houses and shops and schools and colleges, the mango leaves, they have to decorate with that banana leaves, mango leaves, coconut leaves. They have to decorate with their places with the leaves, because it is looking very nice to decorate with this mango leaves or coconut leaves and banana leaves, and with the flowers we have to decorate. This is looking so good to see. Such as decorations with leaves makes the house beautiful. Yes, such as decorating houses makes to the beautiful. People generally decorate their houses on festivals such as Sankranti and Pongal, Dasara, Diwali, any annual fairs, any programs are there, they have to decorate their places. Most houses we have to decorate with the festival times. Leaves are tied on the string to decorate the doorways. Yes, leaves with the string. Daram ki katti doors ki vestam. With same as flowers also. It is so beautiful to looking to see. That shapes with the leaves. Shapes with the leaves. Leaves are used not only for decoration but can also be used for making different shapes. Yes, it is used for to decorate different kinds of shapes. And we can use and explore many creative ideas with the help of fallen leaves. We can make different shapes such as an apple or a butterfly. With the help of these leaves, we can also paint different shapes and patterns on the leaves, and it is a fun. We have to make two leaves to that different types of things. We have to use leaves to shape up the animals, and we have to explore any creative ideas with the leaves. Can you think of some shapes that can be made using fallen leaves? Mention any 5 such shapes. You should say. I will show to the pictures to you. See, they have to made with the apple with the help of leaves. An apple made with the leaves. We have to create it. We have to made with the leaves, with the different types of leaves. Apple. This is the butterfly made with the leaves. This is the pattern of the leaves into decoration to that on leaves, on the leaves. You should mention these any 5 shapes in that lines. Next, color with the leaves. What is that? Color with the leaves. What is the colors? Colors with the leaves. What is the colors with the leaves? We have to know very well. That is henna, that is called mehendi. Henna leaves are also gorentaco are used for making beautiful designs on hands and fingers. Leaves of henna plants are crushed to make the paste, are then applied on the hands and feet. Yes, the mehendi is that we have to crush to the leaves and we have to put our hands. It is looking gorgeous to different red in color. We have to add the hands and your legs, feet. It gives a natural orange color when the paste is removed. The color becomes darker to deep reddish or brown color into 2-3 days. It is looking into 2-3 days or 1 week. Which color they have to give? That orange color when we paste it is removed, colors becomes dark in reddish color or brown in color. That flying with the leaves. Flying with the leaves. Reina's teachers brought dried leaves on the class. She asked two children to trace the leaves with the help of paints and make different patterns. Perform the given below activities. You make beautiful patterns with the help of leaves. Children, you should understand and see, and you also make different patterns of a leaf. See, I will show you. This is activity 2, page number 59. The aim is to make a leaf tracing. The material we required paper, crayons and leaves and different shapes. Produce. Place a leaf in between the 2 papers so that it does not move. Now rub a crayon at one side and the paper color on that layer of paper over leaf. You will observe beautiful leaf tracing pattern on the paper. See, this is that. Should do this one. And this is the activity 3, to make a hand-hold fan using dried palm leaves. Materials: dried palm leaves, nail and a soft twig or straw or millet. This is that. See, first step, follow the given below the shape of to make hand hold fan. Second, to press a nail into this palm leaf. Third one, get soft twig or straw of millet to press on the and end of the nail into that soft twig. It is hand hold fan is ready. You should play with the hand hold fan. Children, you should do this activity and put on our WhatsApp group. Thank you.